Days. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your website in local Google local listing. So what's the advantage? It's very important for your business. Let me show you. If I search here PHP training in Kolkata, okay. If I search here, then you can see my website here is showing this one, okay. So what does that mean? This is local listing. That means the website which is showing here, three websites. This one, actually this one is also my website, this one is also my website. So as you can see in local listing, it shows here, so it is more likely that user will click on this one or this one, okay. So and then only then after this it shows other listing here, but first it shows here local listing. So how you can make your website list in this list here. uh, uh, Earlier it used to show 10 listing, but nowadays it shows only 3 listing here in local listing, but it's very important. So how you can list your website in this local listing? So I will show you. For example, this is my website. I'm going to add this in my local business. So let's go here incognito, then right here Google my uh, business, and then you can see here. So click on this, and then you will see this, and manage now. So I will use my this email ID, and I write my password. Okay, so as you can see, these are my websites already here. So now I can add here my business one more. Add single business. In case you have more than one business, then you can also add multiple business, but it's most likely that you are going to add here your local single business. So I will type here web design Kolkata, okay. So it's showing you here you the hint that if mistakenly you have already added here, or knowingly you have already added here, and uh, you are going to add second time. So it is confirming that, is it that you have already added and you are going to add second time? Then I will say here no, no, this is my first time I'm going to add here, okay. So now after this, so remember, it's very important that you give here your business proper business name, no keyword you use. Since web design Kolkata is a keyword itself, but my business name is this one itself. You can see here my website name is itself web design Kolkata, or else if you put here keyword, then it's most likely that your website may be penalized, and Google may disable your account, okay. And here this is also very important that you use proper category. So in my case I will write here uh, design design agency, design institute. Okay, so this is design institute, and now I will click on here next. And then, do you want to add a location customer can visit, like store, office? Yes, I would like to put here my address. In case you don't want to put here the address, then simply you can put here no. So I'll put here yes. Now after this, it will ask me to add here address. So I'll write here for uh, here. You can select here also country. So by default it's India, and then I will put here my address. So this is my address. Just I've added multiple line, and then city here. So I've selected here city, then pin code, and then state. Okay, and then let's click here next. Do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? uh, no, we don't provide delivery here. And now it asks for the current website URL. So I'll write here my current website URL here, and my mobile number. So let me add here. Remember, this mobile number should be your permanent, because it's very difficult to change this mobile number once you have added this, okay. And if you don't have a website, then you can check here I don't have a website, okay. So since I have website, that's why I'm adding here. And then next, and finally I'm inside here. this it says that choose to verify. Okay, so I will select this number and then text, it will send me text message. Okay, so let me check. I'm just putting it text message. It's 4 no 99944 then 9 verify. So your code was accepted. Next, then here you need to, when it's open, so we are open 7 days. I'm just putting all the details here to try to fill all the details as much as possible, then there is less chance of disabling your account. Okay, so I've added my details here, and then add messaging. Yes, if you enable this, then people can send you message. So this is better because people can directly send you message from search itself. And then here it is asking me for a description, so I put here description. So remember, you put proper description, it's very important. Okay, though you can edit it later, but don't miss the chance at first. Chance on try to put as much as information, so it will be better for this account, or else normally the account is disabled, then it will ask you to verify, then they will send letter to your address, and then you put, so it takes time, like 10 days, 15 days. So it's better you provide as much as accurate information in the beginning only. And now it asked me to upload photo, so let me add few images and upload it from my computer. Let me upload one more. So I've uploaded two images, then I can proceed ahead. Next, so I can skip this. Is it asking me if I want to advertise, then it will, Google will provide me rupees 2000 credit. So for the time being I want to skip it. So now it says that your business profile is almost ready. Now continue. Okay, so now this is my Google page. So it says that if I search, then how it will look like. So if we click here, then oh, there is spelling mistake here actually. So here you can see it is displaying in the Google search. So I need to change my name. I made a mistake while writing. So if you want to make modification, remember, don't make modification in the beginning unless you it is very urgent. Okay, and it is very important. So I say this location updated information from Google users for resources review and update. So I just need to update this. So this, particularly this page name, this heading, your business name, don't change, because I need to change because there is spelling mistake, that is why. Or else don't change in the beginning, so there is more likely that your business may be disabled and it may ask you to verify. Okay, so it's updated, it says, so remind me later. Now if I search here, then I can see that this is showing here. So it will update, it will take time, it doesn't update instantly. Okay, so that's the problem. So but it will get updated here. So as you can see that here, so what it's saying, it's cross. If you want to update anything, then you make update after few days. Okay, don't update instantly, you wait first, then it becomes a bit older, then you try to make update. You can see it is showing here under review, here what I've made changes here, but still the account is live. So as you can see, it is very easy to create Google local listing. I will show more option here in the next video. For the priming, that's it in this video, so stay connected. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.